Well, Panda parents, we have about a day left of school before winter break, and I wanted to come to you and talk to you about a couple serious topics and then just tell you about some wonderful things that are going on in our school. First of all, you, like me, have probably read with concern about lots of school violence that's going on across our country. The health and safety of our students is absolutely our first concern, and we take that so serious. So I need you to know that we're doing everything we can to keep your students just as safe as possible. I need your help in two ways about that as we start our new year. First, I want to talk to your students about the power of words, and I want you to talk to them about the power of words as well. When I was a young man, we could say things like, "I'm going to kill you," and the other student would say it back, and it didn't really mean anything. Well, unfortunately, those words are very powerful now, and I want you to talk to your students about using positive words, not using threatening words, and thinking about what they say before they say it. So if a student says those kinds of things, if they say, "I'm going to kill you" or "I'm going to hurt you," I have to take that really seriously, and there could be serious discipline issues for saying those kinds of words. So we're going to work on the power of words as we start 2022. So please talk to your students. 4-year-old, 5-year-old, middle schoolers, they all need to understand that when they say something, we're listening and those words matter. So help us with that. The second thing is I need to talk to our students about rumors. We've had far too many rumors in our school. And so I'm asking your students to be rumor stoppers, not rumor starters and not rumor spreaders. So if they hear something that's concerning, please, for the older kids, don't send it out on a text or send it to another student without finding out if it's true. Bring any concerns to a school leader. Those rumors at our school caused a lot of fear and anxiety for students that was completely unnecessary. So 2 things, talk to your students about the power of words, super important, and help us keep rumors tamped down so that if students hear something and if it scares them, if it concerns them, tell them immediately, bring it to an adult and we'll take care of it. Well, parents, can you tell I'm going to talk about COVID right now? I've got our hand washing stations behind us. Our school has done an amazing job. Compared to most schools across the country, our kids are coming to school, learning and growing every day. We want to make sure we continue to do that as we move forward into the new year. I want to say that the numbers are down right now, and so I've also noticed that we've been easing up a little bit. A few of our students have been wearing masks, and we haven't been quite as stringent on our protocols. But public health professionals are warning that there's going to be a lot of contacts over the holidays, and they're also talking about the new Omicron variant, concerned about that. So what we're going to do at school is we're going to kind of take a step back to what we did in September, and I'm going to ask you to work with us on increasing our COVID protocols for the first 2 or 3 weeks when we come back to school. Those first 14 days when we come back are so important. So we're going to redouble our efforts in the school to continue to physical distance our kids and to disinfect and to get all our HVAC and air filtration systems up and running. We've been doing it along, but we're going to make sure we're doing it to an even stricter standard. And I'm going to ask you to do a couple things for us. First, if your child is in close contact with somebody over the holidays, especially those 2 or 3 days before we get back to school, please get them tested before you bring them back to school. We don't want to bring any illness into East Point Academy. Second, if they're experiencing any symptoms, please don't bring them back. Make sure that they're healthy and safe before you bring them back to school. And third, we're asking you to mask up. We ask that you mask for those first 14 days when we come back from school. And we know that that's a difficult decision for some parents. We're going to honor whatever your parental choice is, but we do want to get the number of students that are in masks for those first 14 days of school back up to a higher number. That's only going to help us. It's one tool to help keep our school safe and sound. And we're going to do our part to come back and have everybody have a healthy and safe start to the new school year. Parents, scene 3 here by the Christmas tree. We're so excited that the holiday season is among us. I just want to tell you again how much I appreciate all you do for our students. A special thanks to our Panda Parent Association, who's just showered our teachers and students with so much love and just made the holiday season so bright for us. Thanks to all you that serve on Panda Parent Association. Great job. To our School Improvement Council members, we appreciate you. And especially to our board that gives us guidance and support. Without them, we wouldn't be able to do everything we do to keep our school amazing. A couple of really cool things have gone on here lately. I want to compliment everybody for Winter Arts Night. For those of you that came, boy, it just did my heart good to see our parents in seats watching our students perform. Our students just did an amazing job. For those of you that had students that have participated in singing at the Christmas tree lighting in West Columbia, again, an amazing job. For those of you who had students in recitals, what talented students we have. So we're ready to start the new year, but we're ending with a bang. Our kids have had a normal school year. I'm so proud of that we've been able to have a normal school year in a very extraordinary circumstance, and our students are responding with great grades, improved behavior, and it's just a great, great place to be. So I'll just end with this, that I hope that each of you have a restful holiday season, that I hope if you're traveling that you have safe travels. I hope that your students get a chance to read and relax and come back to school ready to learn again. Here at East Point Academy, we do indeed have a proud past and a very, very bright future. Y'all be nice and work hard.